What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your marigold flowers. So these are my marigolds. These things are awesome. This is my first year having these, and I think I'm going to continue buying these every year. Now these flowers are considered annuals, but they may come back the following year due to self-seeding. You can see these things are nice and bright. These really don't require a ton of water. Where I'm at, I'm in Utah, desert state, little rainfall. These things haven't had much water and are thriving, so a good way to take care of these every so often is just to come out and deadhead the flowers. I just kind of drive my fingernail into the stem of the flower, take those off. Now deadheading these helps kind of take away all that energy that is being put into these flowers that are dead and into the flowers that are alive, and as well as produce new flowers. Deadheading these is not completely necessary. These flowers will eventually just shrivel up and die off themselves, but I like to be proactive and get as many blooms as I can going, and deadheading these will help more blooms sprout. So these things have been blooming all spring and all summer for me, and very beautiful and vibrant. Give a good little pop to my garden. Alright, so we deadheaded all of these. I'm just gonna actually go and throw those into my garden. I actually have a worm compost. I'll probably put some in there as well, and some of these stems will just die back and we'll get some new growth. We got some buds that are getting ready to bloom there. So another thing to mention, these things are getting full sun where I'm at. They get at minimum 8 hours of sun a day, so they thrive in sun and they do really well. So we got a full look in there. We got a spider egg sac or something. Well, that's definitely a spider egg sac. I'm gonna pop it open and that's cool. Look at that. Oh, those spiders. Ooh, I can't get the camera to focus. Look at that egg sac. All those spiders coming out of it. Well, I'm gonna go kill that thing off. If you have any questions or other tips on how to take care of these plants, I would appreciate you to comment below. If you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.